Alright, in this video I wanted to walk through real quickly to determine if the customer is using a proxy to get to the internet. And what we'll do is we'll open up the web browser that they're using on their PC. Again, either we sit down and drive the customer's PC if they'll allow us, or stand next to them and just walk them through what to do. But we'll have them open their web browser. We might want to go to xerox.com and make sure that they are actually able to access the internet, so that we know their settings on their PC is good. And in this case I'm able to access it, so all the settings should be good. And we want to go to Tools. Now, depending on what browser version or whatever, this might be slightly different, but Internet Explorer, we go to Tools and Internet Options. And then under Internet Options we want to go to Connections, and it's actually down here under LAN Settings that we want to go. When I click on LAN Settings, what I'd be looking for in this scenario, it's actually not using any proxy server settings, so they don't in this scenario a proxy server is not needed, and so I can move on and go to the device and configure it with the information that I got from the ipconfig all command. If this box were checked here and information was populated here, then I would want to grab that IP address or host name, and that would be my proxy server address, as well as whatever port is configured here. So that's going to be important too. So I'd want to document what was in the address box and what was documented in the port to get the information that I need to pull back. If this box up here where it's talking about using a script was populated, then it's a little bit more complicated. What I really need to do is gain access to that file and look into it to see my proxy server settings, which I can do by copying that and pasting it into the customer's web browser, and it'll download the file and I can open it with Notepad. But at this point it would probably be a good idea to ask an IT person, because if they're using the script, they've probably got an IT department, and we'd want to contact those folks to ask them which proxy server to use. So that's real quick and in a nutshell how you would get to the proxy server information that might be needed. Like I said, most situations you probably will not need that information. They'll not be using a proxy server, but in some of the larger companies they do use proxy servers. So if that's needed, it's there, and that's how you would find it.